Hi guys of YouTube, and today we're gonna have a video of Lucy, as you see, and she's gonna be this victim pulling the fire alarm. But can you wait a second? I'm gonna get this on a real piece of paper. Okay, we're back, but I couldn't find paper, so I had to use this. Okay. What's this? PUSHINDHENPULLDOWN. Okay. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Who pulled that fire alarm? Me. Detention. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Go to your classroom. You're in detention. Beep, beep, beep,